When slaves were captured, they were always stripped of their clothing while being kept in the dungeons of the fortresses that had been built on the African coast by the European traders. They were forced with their limbs chained and shackled into the hold of cargo ships. They remained naked, packed like sardines during the month-long journey through the Middle Passage. Not all those who were loaded onto the ships survived the voyage. A number of the ships sank with their entire human cargo. Others who fell sick were thrown overboard. And a few who preferred death to captivity voluntarily jumped overboard. It is believed that 10 to 20% of enslaved people died in the Middle Passage.
I know we must reclaim those bones in the Atlantic Ocean. Do you know that there is not a plaque, a memorial, a day, a ritual, or an hour that is erected in memorial to those 100 million bodies in the Atlantic Ocean? All those Africans in the briny deep, all those people who said no and jumped ship, all those people who tried to figure a way to steer, to navigate amongst sharks.
Which I guess is only because he doesn't trouble.
We don't call upon that water. We don't call upon those spirits. We don't celebrate these ancestors. We don't have a marker, an expression, a song that we use to acknowledge them. We have nothing to indicate that those are our people and that they matter. We will willingly administer knockout drops. More horrendous is the fact that we do not tap into the ancestral presence in the waters. Our inspiration, Tony K. Bambara, 1987. And without this inspiration, we may not be here today to do this very important community and cultural act.